Well, washing windows certainly isn't my favorite thing to do around the house, but it's made a lot easier and you can do a lot better job by using a squeegee. But Joe, I'm gonna let you get your ladder out, take care of that second-story windows.
Well, thanks, Danny. It's always nice to be included in your projects. But I'm going to clean those second-story windows without a ladder, because today's simple solution shows a way to extend the squeegee using a simple piece of PVC pipe. And all I did is I bought a length of 3/4-inch PVC pipe. It's about 10 feet long. And I drilled a hole through the pipe and clear through the squeegee. If you just line up those marks for me, Dan.
Okay.
Then simply get a machine bolt and slide it right through. Put a nut on the other side just to hold the screw in place, keep it from sliding out. And now when you dip it in your bucket, you can easily reach up to the second-story window safely from the ground, and you can see that you can use both the sponge part to clean off the dirt, and then you just flip it around to squeegee off the excess.
And Joe, I guess you could have used a regular telescoping pole like the painters use, but I would guess it's probably going to be a little more expensive than this.
Well, the telescoping pole we saw at the hardware store costs about almost $30. It was $28. And this piece of PVC pipe cost $2. And plus, we already had the squeegee, which was only about $3.
Looks like it works just as good.
Works great.